Having trouble connecting your Samsung Galaxy Watch to Wi Fi? You're not alone. Many users experience connectivity issues, ranging from failing to connect to frequent disconnections. This video will guide you through the common causes and how to fix them. One common cause is network compatibility. The watch supports 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz Wi-Fi bands, but some routers may not be fully optimized or use incompatible security protocols like WEP instead of WPA3. Software bugs are another frequent culprit. Outdated firmware on the watch or the Galaxy wearable app on your phone can lead to connectivity conflicts and failed connections. Signal interference from other devices can disrupt Wi-Fi. Bluetooth connections and cellular signals from the watch itself may clash with Wi-Fi, particularly in urban environments with many overlapping networks. Power management is another factor. The watch prioritizes battery life, so it might automatically disable Wi-Fi when inactive, requiring manual reactivation to reconnect. The Galaxy Watch is designed with a low-power Wi-Fi chip that prioritizes battery efficiency. This can sometimes lead to connectivity issues. Let's explore the key fundamentals behind Wi-Fi performance. The watch uses a low-power Wi-Fi chip to conserve battery. While this extends usage time, it can make the connection less stable compared to higher-power chips. The watch supports both 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz Wi-Fi bands. The 2.4 GHz band offers better range but slower speeds, while 5 GHz provides faster connections over shorter distances. Software bugs can occur in the watch's firmware or the Galaxy wearable app on your phone. These glitches might prevent proper Wi-Fi connection or cause unexpected disconnections. Bluetooth and cellular signals can interfere with Wi-Fi connectivity. These overlapping wireless signals compete for the same frequency space, potentially disrupting the watch's Wi-Fi connection. The watch's power-saving mode can automatically disable Wi-Fi when the device is inactive. This helps preserve battery life, but may cause connectivity issues if you expect constant Wi-Fi availability. Before diving into advanced troubleshooting, try these quick fixes. First, restart your Galaxy Watch and your router. Then, on your watch, forget the Wi-Fi network and reconnect to it via Settings, Connections, Wi-Fi. Ensure both your watch's software and the Galaxy wearable app on your phone are updated to the latest versions. These simple steps resolve many common Wi-Fi issues. When basic troubleshooting steps like restarting or updating don't resolve your Wi-Fi connection issues, resetting the network settings can often help. Start by opening the Settings app on your Galaxy Watch. Once in Settings, scroll down and select General. In the General menu, select Reset. From the Reset options, choose Reset Network Settings. Confirm the reset when prompted. This action clears corrupted network data without erasing your personal information, like apps, photos, or health data. By refreshing the network configuration, this reset can resolve persistent Wi-Fi problems that basic fixes couldn't address. You'll need to reconnect to your Wi-Fi network afterward. Remember to reconnect your watch to Wi-Fi networks after the reset is complete. If basic troubleshooting steps like restarting, reconnecting, and resetting network settings haven't resolved your Wi-Fi connectivity issues on your Samsung Galaxy Watch, it may be time to consider a factory reset. However, be aware that a factory reset will erase all your data on the watch, including apps, settings, and personal information. Always back up important information first. To back up your data, use the Galaxy wearable app on your paired smartphone. This ensures you don't lose fitness data, settings, or app information. To perform a factory reset, navigate to Settings on your watch, then General, then Reset, and select Factory Reset. Follow the on-screen prompts to confirm. If the factory reset doesn't resolve your Wi-Fi connection issues, this could indicate a hardware problem with the watch's Wi-Fi module. In such cases, contact Samsung support for warranty repair options or further technical assistance. They can diagnose and potentially fix hardware-related connectivity problems. If your Galaxy Watch has LTE capabilities, consider using cellular data as an alternative to Wi-Fi. LTE provides a stable connection for notifications and data syncing, bypassing Wi-Fi issues entirely. This is particularly useful in environments with unreliable Wi-Fi networks. LTE connectivity offers several key benefits. It provides a stable connection anywhere with cellular coverage, eliminates dependence on Wi-Fi networks, and is ideal for environments with unreliable Wi-Fi. To use LTE, you'll need an LTE-enabled Galaxy Watch model, an active cellular plan with your carrier, and the Galaxy Wearable app on your smartphone. To set up LTE connectivity, first open the Galaxy Wearable app on your phone. Select your Galaxy Watch, then navigate to Watch Settings, Connectivity, and Mobile Networks. Finally, enable LTE and follow your carrier's setup instructions. The future of wearable connectivity looks promising, with emerging technologies transforming how we experience seamless connections. Samsung is incorporating AI-driven troubleshooting in its updates, using machine learning to predict and automatically fix connectivity issues, potentially halving user-reported problems by 2027. Emerging trends include hybrid connectivity, with more watches featuring LTE and eSIM capabilities, significantly reducing dependency on Wi-Fi. By 2026, over 60% of new smartwatches will include standalone cellular options. Looking ahead to 2030, experts predict near-zero connectivity issues thanks to advanced technologies like quantum-resistant encryption, 6G integration, and eco-friendly low-power Wi-Fi designs. These innovations address current challenges like cybersecurity threats, paving the way for invisible connectivity in future wearables. Let's look at real-world examples. One user resolved chronic disconnections by updating their router firmware and using the Smart Network Switch feature on their watch. Another user in a corporate environment received a custom firmware patch from Samsung to address enterprise Wi-Fi blocks. These cases highlight that software and environmental factors are often the cause of Wi-Fi issues, rather than hardware failure.